Let us try creating this web page using the text editor in Mac. So open the text edit app, but currently this looks like, the common Microsoft Word window. So we go to preferences and change it to plain text. We're going to remove it from rich text to plain text. And we need to close the program and start it all over again. Now we have it looking like plain text. We paste our code and we're ready to save it. Now we're going to save it, the name of the file, .html. I click on save. It will ask you, do you want to use TXT or HTML? You choose HTML. Now I can open with, I have different browsers. I can use Safari. And here we have our web page showing this is lovely. So this is how to do it on a Mac system. Quite easy, quite fast. Rewatch the video if you didn't get any step. It is quite straightforward.